Hi, my name is Abdulaziz Al-Azami and today I'm going to talk about our senior design project, which is Smart Shopping Cart System. But first, let me introduce my teammates. Muhammad Al-Miladi, Abdulaziz Al-Jafar, Abdullah Al-Azami, Muhammad Sarraf. The agenda of our presentation is as follows. I will begin talking about the global aspects of our project, the standards and consideration we have taken into account, also all the feasibility analysis and risk analysis we have done, the plan of action or timeline we are working with. We will speak about the multidisciplinary aspects of this project, the end product description, and conclude this presentation. The global aspects of this project was met by us using WhatsApp group, creating a Google Drive and maintaining the documents there. As a team, we met in Google Meets and discussed each person progress and any bottlenecks.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Al-Malabi and I'll speak about the standard and the consideration. As a group, we decided to follow the 7 criteria of ABET outcomes, using the mathematical calculation of our RFID tags and using a modular design. We were able to use a small part to solve a large engineering problems. We also made sure that the power is very low, which helped in a public safety as a public safety measurement. Our project is built for small businesses and a daily consumer. Using an RFID tags, we created a safety mechanism that helps to locate the stolen or even damaged carts. We also used a very low circuit to help an environment as well as provide the safety to the end user. We also used tools such as Arduino IDE to test and analyze the code from the RFID tags, and we also used software such as FritzSync for power analysis and came up with a minimum amount of power as well as the ATNA for our RFID. Using courses such as circuit analysis and intuitive computing, we were able to implement the circuit design in simple code that makes our project robust and small. 2, for the feasibility, I'm going to speak about the analysis that we have done on the following factors. First, we have the market feasibility, which is to make sure that the product is cheap and has a high demand in the market. 2, we have a technical feasibility. It is possible to get the product working, but as per our qualification, we might get an additional help if required. 3, the project cost. We made sure that the project cost is within our budget. For the financial analysis, our budget financial analysis was done based on the part that we have ordered. 5th, which is the project appraisal. If required, we will try to get a small appraisal from our peers or our professors. And lastly, we have the implementation plan. Finally, using a Gantt chart, we built a timeline of all the deliverables and tasks.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz Al-Jafar and today I will be speaking about the risk analysis. We did the risk analysis by considering a simple equation, such as if an issue happens to take an assumption that proves incorrect, then consider what will happen otherwise. For example, this statement ensures that the cause of the risk, the assumption is clear, as is the impact. For example, if you are assuming the shipping will take 10 days, risk of delay could be expressed as a loop as shown here. Here's a risk identification loop. For the coding standard, we will use a version control of a GitHub to make sure that the code is done by multiple students. It's always updated with the team leader for managing the system. Here's the system we'll be using, the GitHub system. For our plan of action, we got 4 steps. The first step is focus on priorities and what is due now. The second one is mark completed as complete. The third one is assign someone to do each task. The last step we got, discuss pending or last task. Here's the Gantt chart. And here's what we did from the beginning of the semester going on until the end of the semester. This is our main use case diagram. We have two different users in a scenario. The first one is the customer and the second one is the store manager. The customer can list his product, search products, add products to his cart, modify products from cart, and remove products from his cart. The store manager can add prices on a product using RFID card, manage any offers, add or remove tags on each item. So in this slide we are showing our progress from the start to finish using a V chart. The right chart is the major accomplishment we have finished for the project. In the last year, here are our major milestones divided into model design, programming and the demo for the final products. On the green color, what we have done, and on the red color, what we are working on.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Al-Azibi, and today I'm going to talk about multidisciplinary aspect of our project. We use the following subjects in our project during our course in engineering. The subjects are electrical engineering, power analysis, programming, embedded engineering, and economics. All the work, as you can see here, are distribution matrix between me and my teammates. All tasks are divided into 3 subtasks. And also here, this is the overall budget of our project, which was approximately $250. As we can see here, for example, this is the part name, and this is the unit price, quantities, and the total price. And for here, vehicle frame set with motor, the price was $40 approximately, the quantity was 1, and the total is $40. All these are available online and you can check them.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Asrab. I'm going to talk about the end product description. Here that is the basic block diagram. The main description while developing the project is to be able to show the user price and menu to be able to see the quantity and product name. Also add or remove any items. The project has 2 main requirements, BCB that has LCD display, visual microcontroller and receiver. The other main requirement is Arduino IDE for programming and basic understanding of embedded C. As you can see here, we have RFID rider circuit and LCD and buzzer. For our goals are each product in the shop or mall will have an RFID tag. Each cart will have an RFID reader and trans receiver implement on it. Also, there will be online payment procedure for billing. If the product is removed, it must get deleted from the bill. In conclusion, so by making the use of this, the supermarket shopping system will become easier and contact-free. We believe if this idea, the mainstream shopping cart, will look something like this for contactless experience. Thank you, and now we are ready for any questions.